Hi guys, you're welcome to ABB Math Champ. Today we'll be learning how to multiply some figures without knowing your times table, just using lines, okay? So we are going to begin with 3 times 2. That's really easy, but let's just begin with some basic examples, okay? So that looks more like a Z, not a 2 times 2. Okay, that's better. So you begin by drawing 3 lines, 3 parallel lines. 1, 2. I think let me bring this here a bit. And then 3. Not really nice, but it's okay. And then you draw 2 lines to cross them this way. Okay, so 1 and 2. So you're supposed to count where they intersect. Okay, so they intersect this place. So you're supposed to count the points over there and change the color of the pen to red. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, so let's try something else. Let's say you have okay. I would like to type it down this time. Let's say you have 21 times 2. Okay. So you draw 2 lines first. 1 and 2. But then because we have 21, after drawing your 2 lines representing the 2 in the first part of it, you separate it or you leave a space and then you draw 1 line here. Then you go to the next part, the part after the multiplication sign. You see we have 2 over there. So you draw 2 lines to cross it. 2 lines really close to each other to cross it. Then this is what you do. Okay, so here and then here. So if there were to be anything, or there were to be some lines over here that are intersecting, we would count this side and this side as well. Okay, but since there is nothing there, we won't count this part. So let's go ahead and count it. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that gives us 42. Okay, it's always advisable to count from the right hand side, from this side going to this side. Okay, from here to here, it's always advisable. We go to the next one where we have 42 times 31. Okay, so let's draw our lines. For the first part of it, we have to draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then draw 2 lines. You leave a space and draw 2 lines. 2. Then because of 31, we draw 3 lines first, crossing it. So 1, 2, and 3. Then you leave a space. You have 1, 31, so draw 1. Oh, sorry. That's 1 over here. So let's see. Have this side, and this side, and then this side. So we count. That gives us 1, 2. No, let me start from the other side. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So because it's 10 and then it's made up of 2 figures, you just take the last number, as in 10 has 1 and 0. So you just take the 0 and you move the 1 to the other side. So 1 plus what you would get over here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 plus 12, and that is 13. So that gives us our answer to be 1302. That's right. Okay. So we go to a next one or another one. Let's have 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3. Oopsie. 1, 2, 3 times 3, 1. Okay. So we begin by drawing first 1 line and then 2 lines and then 3 lines. Then you cross it with 3 lines first and then 1 line. Okay. So we have 1. It should come down a bit. Then 2. Leave another space. 1, 2, and 3. I think it would be advisable to extend this a bit, but never mind. You cross it with 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. And then you cross here with another line. That's 1. So let's see where they intersect, or you divide them into zones. So we have this to be our first zone, this to be our second zone. If I actually drew it well, you would really see it clearly. And here to be our next zone, and this is our last zone. It's because this is actually not perfect, drawn perfectly, so you can't really see it. Okay. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we take our 1 and then we bring the next one here. So we have 1 plus 1 plus. Okay. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So plus 7. And go to that gives us 8. Okay. Go to the last zone where we have 1, 2, 3. Meaning our answer is 3, 8, 1, 3. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you for staying through it to the end. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it really helpful. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye.